perform Surya Namaskar using a chair. This is a way to make yoga more accessible for different body types, or for different ages, or people who are suffer from, for example, like a brain stroke. So you can take the chair, sit on the chair, facing the sitting bones connected to the chair, and feet parallel, hip-width distance apart. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up like you were doing in the normal Surya Namaskar. Then exhale, forward fold, releasing the head down. And inhale into the halfway lift. Continue placing the sitting bones connected to the chair. And then for downward dog, we stay with our feet parallel. We bring the hands to the side of the chair and we take this position. Also, you can lower down maybe your hands using the chair in this way. So come back. Again, we go into our halfway lift. And exhale, release the head down. Inhale again, arms up. And exhale, release. If you think this video is helpful, please share the difference. Thank you so much.